Before coming to the stage, he was a talent booker on a TV show on the A&E's, even at the Improv. He is also the author of the book, How to Be a Working Comic. And he's the reason why you're here tonight. Could y'all please put your hands together for Mr. Dave Swenson?
Wow, it's great to be here and out of the cold. Thank you so much for coming to our comedy workshop showcase. How many of you have attended one of these before? A round of applause. I can't see your hands. Yeah, okay, good. Well, you kind of know how it's going to work, and for the rest of you, you're in for a fun night. I'm kind of standing here stalling around right now because I sent a text to my wife and my son. I said, geez, I'm going on stage in 10 minutes. What am I supposed to say? And then he get back to me. I got nothing. I'll make up something, okay. Again, this is our comedy workshop showcase. Tonight you're going to see a group of comedians up here who have been working very hard down here for 3 Saturdays. We get together for 3 Saturday afternoons right here in the Funny Bone. They create original comedy material. We talk about the business, performing, all that good stuff. They come up here on stage. They get to do their sets, their jokes, tell them on stage. I get to be like Simon Cowell and tell them, that sucks, that's not funny. And they still show up for this, so it's wild to me. No, they've been working very hard, and our last meeting we just had this past Saturday was very funny, so you are in for a good show. Now, I know you're all here to see somebody, right? Yeah? All right, give me some names. Who are you here to see? Always, nobody mentions my name. You too. Thank you very much. Me too. Dave, somebody got my name right. Okay. Oh, good. All right. Well, this is how this is going to work tonight. Like I said, it is our comedy workshop showcase. They've been working very, very hard. So you now are part of this showcase. You're here in the audience. You're going to be a big part of this. What I want you to do is if someone comes up here and they say something funny, I want you to laugh. Come on, I want to hear it. I want you to laugh. Come on. Yes. Okay. Now, someone comes up here and they say something that's not so funny. Come on. Good. All right. Now, as I always like to say, the highlight of the show is going to happen right now. Are you ready? Yeah. Okay. My time on stage is over. I'm going to bring up our host and our MC who's going to take you through the rest of the show tonight. Now, he's a comedy workshop grad. I think about 3 years ago, he did this with us. And he's been touring like around the country. I know he's all over Ohio and Chicago and Michigan. He's doing a lot of shows. And I'm really pleased that he happens to be in Cleveland tonight and he's able to do this for us. So, I want you to have fun. Enjoy your whole evening here at the Funny Bone. Thank you for coming out. And please give a round of applause.